and today we're back in one of Roblox video. I'm playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So today I will be showing you how to, all the royal jelly locations, like the secret ones and the non-secret ones. So let's get started. So for the first one, you're just gonna have to parkour up here, parkour, because I'm good at parkour. And then you're gonna have to go up here, and you have yourself a royal jelly. That's probably for noobs. So for the next location, you're gonna have to go here, but to do it, I recommend probably buying the boots, the basic boots. But anyway, you can jump up here and jump, and probably going down here. But if you die, you can just jump around and you'll live. So you can just do this parkour, like so, and then just jump up here, and then you'll have yourself another royal jelly. Next to Noob there. So for the next location, you're gonna have to discover 4 types of bees. Well, 4 blue types of bees, and it'll show you green when you do it. So yeah, and then you can go inside, and you can go up this ramp, a special blue ramp, and you'll go up to the top. You'll find royal jelly somewhere. Where is it? It's clear for me. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So you'll find yourself a royal jelly because it's clear for me, because I've already gotten it. So yeah, and the blue one and red one both have like field boost and stuff, which are really good. So let's just go. So for this next location, it's just me and honey star. So yeah, for the next location, you're gonna have to have 5 bees in your time slot. It's that hard, and they'll become green. So then you'll see this pocket here, and you can't get to it. Well, actually, you could if you jump high enough, but you can't because you're in. So then you're gonna go down here, and then you're gonna go here, and then don't jump there. Just keep running to the end, and then you'll come up here, and boom, you have yourself a royal jelly. So yeah. So for this next location, you're gonna have to have serious parkour skills. So you're just gonna have to go here, up here. You're gonna have to do this parkour. You're gonna have to go on the bamboos. I missed it. So you're just gonna have to go up here. I'm sorry about the background. It's just my little brother and sister. So yeah, let me just do this parkour real quick. It won't take long because I'm really good at parkour, especially in Roblox. And then you can just do that, and boom, you have yourself another royal jelly. So for the next location, you're going to need to have 10 bees, like 10 bees in your slot, so it will be better for you. So you can have 10 bees in your slot too. So you're going to have to parkour on this pineapple. Just go up here, you're going to go here and jump on the leaf, and this leaf, the other leaf, like this, and then jump on the white bit, and then jump on top of the ship, and there'll be a tunnel leading to the royal jelly. But just don't fear, just keep running. I can't really do it. So for the next one, you're going to have to discover 12 types of bees. So you can use royal jelly to discover more types of bees. You're gonna fire this yellow cannon, but before you fire the yellow cannon, you're gonna have to first buy the basic glider, or best glider, for only 500,000. Here it is, right here. You're gonna have to buy it, the parachute, and then you can go and get this royal jelly. So you jump up. So you're just gonna jump up here. So sorry about the noise again. It's just really annoying. And you're gonna glide down to the star section where you'll find a royal jelly. So yeah. So for the next one, you're probably going to need 5 bees and a glider. So you're going to have 10 bees to buy the glider because it's in the 10 section shop. So yeah, so you're just going to have to go up here. You're going to jump up here, then you're going to go on this rock thing. You're going to jump here, and then just go here, and then just go here, and then you can glide here. So yeah, that's another royal jelly down. So for the next one, you're going to need 15 bees like just 15 normal bees, not types, and to go to the 15 section where you will find where you can go through here. There'll be a werewolf you can defeat. Just go behind the pumpkin and eventually you'll defeat it. So you see this big pumpkin and the small pumpkin, you're just gonna have to go behind it and you have yourself another royal jelly. So let's just go. So for this next location, you don't have to have 15 like quests done. You can just skip through here. You go through here this short way, and then you can jump down here and jump down here, and you have royal jelly here. So yeah, so you can, for the next one, you're gonna have to discover or get 15 types of bees and discover 4 types of red bees, and then you can go up here and up here, and then you can go over here, and you have yourself another royal jelly, which is nice. So for the next location, you're gonna have to go here, like up here again. You're gonna have to have like, you're gonna have to go, well, you're gonna have to have a glider for this one, and it might be a bit sketchy for the parachute, but glider would work easily. But you can have a parachute too, it works with that, because that's how I got it before I got the glider. So you go up here, you glide to here, you glide to here, and you glide to here, and that's the end of the tunnel where the other royal jelly was. I already got that. You can glide to here, and then you can glide to here, and drop down here, and you glide to here, and then glide to there. There'll be a tunnel, but only at night it opens up. You can jump here, and you have yourself another royal jelly. So yeah. So for the next location, you're gonna, well, for the next location, you're gonna go over here. So you're gonna, well, I forgot about this. Oh my god, I forgot this location. So it's actually, you only need like 10 bees and you can just glide to there, but I'm just gonna glide from here because I just missed it. So just glide down to the dandelion here. You can just drop down and boom, you have yourself another royal jelly. So for this location, you're gonna have 25 bees and discover 25 types of bees to get this. So you're gonna have to fire this red cannon. You're gonna have to glide on top of the roof here, and then you have yourself a royal jelly. And I think there is one more royal jelly somewhere. Oh yeah, I don't have 30 bees, but it's in the 30 section somewhere, I think. But I don't have 30 bees, so I don't know where it is. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.